Okay. Now then, we're going to try putting the top crust on the pie. Well, in this case, it's meringue. Put a little slip on here for it to stick. Here. Now then, obviously that piece is bigger than it needs to be, but I'm going to kind of press it on. Give it a little bit of poof if I can. Cut off this extra. Okay, now then. I did a lemon meringue already, but I think this will be different. Yeah, it's kind of got a little poof in it there. Boop. Now the best thing on for this is you just slather it with, this looks more like whipped cream than meringue right now. But I don't want the texture of that canvas from here to show. Texture is what it's all about on these things. Okay. Now then, I may make some fake peaks on it. Let's see how that does. Take a thin piece of clay and kind of roll it into a cone. Oh, that's going to look real stupid till I get a few of them on there. I used to make these meringues, and they would always get kind of overdone if you didn't watch what you're doing in the oven, and put it on broil, and it's supposed to brown the tops, and sure enough, you burn them if you're not careful. Okay, there's our peaks. I gotta settle them in a little bit with some goo. Yeah, I don't like that one. Let's make it stand up a little bit like that. How's that? It's too tall. Maybe another one here in the middle. Kind of looking at that pie, which would be kind of fun, you know, to be able to swoop up the clay like the pie has it on there, the real pie. But it's a little harder to do with these stuff because the stuff puddles.